How to add docs to your Google Sites. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I will show you step by step how we can go ahead and add our docs to our Google Sites. This way we can just go ahead and start reading it or have people read it, and we can just do it to any page that we would like. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and show you how to exactly do that. Now, before we get to the Google Sites side of the tutorial, first, before we even get to this, we need to go ahead and open up a new tab, and we need to go ahead and log into the same account that we are going to be using in Google Sites, basically. So just go ahead and use the same Google account, and then from there we're just going to go ahead and open up Google Drive, and we want to basically upload the doc in here if it's not already. So just go ahead and find the doc that you want to use or add to Google Sites and just upload it to your Google Drive. I personally just downloaded a sample from the internet. It's just a sample doc, and I'll be just using it for the sake of this tutorial. So I'm just going to go ahead, drag and drop it to our Google Drive here, and we can see the name file sample. So just go ahead and remember this name because we are going to find it within Google Sites in a sec. So it should be uploaded to our Google Drive here. So file sample. Yeah, okay. So we can just go ahead and exit out of there. Now we just go ahead and open up wherever we want to add the Google Doc in. So we can just go ahead and add a page if you want, or just use whichever page that you have. I'm just going to add it in here just for the sake of this example. And you basically want to go to the insert option on the right panel, and you want to scroll down until you find the docs option. Now, once you click on the docs option here, you're going to basically find the recent files that you have in your Google Drive. So whichever recent docs files that you have are going to show up in this section. So this is why I showed you we need to upload it to our Google Drive first. Now, I'm not aware of any method to actually upload it from our computer directly to Google Sites. I'm not sure that there's a method to do so. So instead, we want to upload it to Google Drive and then find it in here from within Google Sites. So just go ahead and click on it, and then we can just go ahead and click on Insert at the bottom right. And it's just going to be added to our site. So we can obviously move it up and down wherever we want it to be, just like any other block that we would have in Google Sites. We can make it bigger or smaller. It really depends on how we want it to be, and just adjust it to your liking. And then we have our Google Doc in here in our Google Sites. It's very easy and simple. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.